Hello, very good evening, all. My name is Sai Charan. Today it's August 15th, 2020, and from now onwards, I want to post regular videos in YouTube. Um I'm a network software engineer, and I'm working in Gujarat. And first thing is, I want to improve my speaking skills, and anyhow software engineers are not very uh, good in communication skills of likewise same as it is. Means not even in software engineers, not all people not good in communication skills. There would be some people who regularly communicates with clients, and for them there would be little bit um, opportunity to speak more. Okay, so unfortunately I don't got that opportunity, and I'm a normal engineer, and who used to work regularly, and I have lost so much communication skills, and I want to start means I want to improve. Okay, improvise my speaking skills. So I started thinking myself. So how to improve? So because to improve, at least we have to be in the means we have to speak regularly in a better like how teachers do in their daily job. In the same manner, I have also how to do. That is true for everybody. So whoever want to improve, so he has to speak regularly in a disciplined manner. Okay, yeah, means it's of course. um, and I started thinking, if I want to speak, if I speak blah 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 means which is useless, there is nothing good for me, nothing good for anybody. So mm I know, I have listed out of what things I would know. Okay, in my list of things, some people who appreciate me is one thing about share marketing. So in share marketing, I have started trading since almost around 2.5 to 3 years. I'm trading. So one time I have built a good portfolio around 2.5 lakh, around 3 lakhs, and due to some necessities, I removed all my portfolio, and I haven't have any holdings for around the next 6 months. Again, after some time, I again started trading with picking small amount of shares, 5,000, 6,000, yeah, a year only. And likewise I started building again. Right now it is built around 3.5 lakhs. Okay, so again I'm continuing, and people say to me that I have little bit means my knowledge is little bit good than what they have. So I want to uh, give some benefits to the people who could trade, who want to purchase it, and who want to make money. Okay, see, money making is of course required. Everyone born in the world is for money. Without money we can't live, because money only not making us happy, but money is one part which makes us to live happily. Of course it is. Okay, see, happiness these days to be bought by money. Without means with money we are getting tensions as well, but we have to handle it, and we have to stay happy. who will be the happiest persons if say of course people are having good families, they are happy families only. But um, the people who are having problems, if we list out of in the world, if we solve their money problems in the world, of course 50% will be happy people, more happy people. So it is required. So I thought by sharing my insights in share marketing, I'm going to give some my learnings, and as well as I want to improve their lifestyles, and I want to improve my lifestyle as well. So for that, I'm going to start my share marketing sessions, okay, in the YouTube. And please note that I'm not a very experienced person who regularly speaks in a presentations. So maybe if I can't able to communicate properly, try to means please understand, and please give your feedbacks as well, okay. Thank you very much.